What is one thing that appears on every stream clip that was ever made? It's the chat. Whether you're a rising streamer who wants to make a couple clips for his TikTok, or a guy who has decided to make a streaming skit, you need one simple thing: credibility. And when there are no people on the other end, it can be hard to replicate. That's why, in this video, I'll walk you through the process of making a completely customizable Twitch chat that looks exactly the same as on every stream. You'll be able to customize it fully, from the text inside the messages, the official Twitch badges you see on the left of every chatter's name. Without further ado, let's do it. There are two ways to animate a stream chat. The manual way, which includes
setting up the messages and usernames as text layers,
adding badges and emojis, reordering them so they're in a straight line, duplicating each message, moving them with the arrow keys to keep spacing consistent.
So, I don't know about you, but I'm not doing that. Instead, we're gonna use a smarter approach, a plugin that makes this process a whole lot easier. Chat Composer's purpose is to allow people to create their own Twitch chat in After Effects without making the whole process overcomplicated. Let me show you how it works. When you open the emoji badge library, it will redirect you to a website which holds over 1,400 emojis and all the Twitch badges you can think of. All of these are accessible to put in your chat as messages. Also, if you feel like that's not enough or you want to add your custom emojis, you can do that by pressing on this button, and the emojis you add will also update on the site. With Chat Composer, you can edit the size of the composition in which the messages will be created. You can easily adjust the font size, the spacing between messages, and the delay between each one. By the way, if you check this box, the messages will appear with a more natural, human-like rhythm. A thing I noticed while building this plugin is that not every streamer has the same animation type on the chat. I mean, some messages just pop up and others start from the right. So guess what? I built that in too. I think loop count is pretty self-explanatory, right? So let's go into the meat of this plugin. Each message can be fully customized, including the chatter's username, its color, the message itself, the badges, and the time when the message appears. Showtime overrides the seconds between messages. The timing field accepts the time code of your timeline, making it easy to sync messages with whatever is going on stream. And I know, oh my god, there are no emojis. What happened, right? Hold your horses, guys. You can insert emojis into the messages by typing in the star sign, right? Whenever you type in that star sign, you can see the emojis that have similar names to what you're typing in here. If you want the message to include that star sign, you can change the emoji trigger character here. I'll fill these three messages to show you a preview of Chat Composer. All I have to do is generate a composition. It should appear in your projects tab, so don't panic if you don't see it on your timeline. Just drag the chat composition into your timeline and there you have it. As you can see, the messages pop up with the same content I put inside the plugin. There are still two things I did not mention, because they're kinda extra and you won't really use them a lot. Instead of customizing the messages, you can just check this box and it will apply a preset for all the messages. These are about 200 messages that are filled in with the proper content. Obviously, they are not customized to what's going on in your footage, but I still included it if anyone needed a fast way to insert a chat. You can easily clear all the emojis here. The second thing is that you can load in messages with JSON text, and it means that you can copy this format. It will also be in the Chat Composer zip file, then feed it to any AI, and it will give you a JSON table which you can paste into the JSON list in the plugin here. The limitation is that AI does not know the list of emojis and badges, so you'll have to insert them on your own. One more thing, if you're early to this video, I'm doing a giveaway on my Discord server where 2 copies of this plugin will be given to the 2 people that win. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Hopefully sooner than a year.